Do you also know how to make honeybee craft? Like this? First, cut the paper in circle shape. Now follow these steps. Apply glue on paper. Now follow these steps. Apply glue on paper. Apply glue on paper. Now cut the edges. Now make a heart shape. Now cut the shapes. Now open this. Now make a eyes. Now apply glue on paper. Now follow these steps. Now make a mouth. Second step, write a caption. Now follow these steps. Now follow. Now fill the color. Now follow these steps. And finally, our honeybee are ready. Thanks for watching.